As a homeowner in Raleigh, NC, you understand the importance of a functioning air conditioning system. However, when your AC unit breaks down, it can be frustrating and uncomfortable. Before calling a professional HVAC technician, it's essential to troubleshoot the issue to identify the problem and potentially save time and money. At your HVAC company, we provide expert AC repair and HVAC services to help you stay cool and comfortable. Our technicians are experienced and trained to diagnose and fix any issue with your AC unit, furnace, or heat pump. We also offer regular maintenance services to ensure your system runs efficiently and effectively. Don't wait until it's too late. Use our troubleshooting checklist and call us at 555-555 to schedule a service. Learn more about our services and how we can help you.